Hello everyone, welcome to Box Unbox. Today we're going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy A20e smartphone, which is an entry-level smartphone from Samsung with some decent specs. You can see the specs displayed on the screen, and it's a dual SIM card handset, so you can use two SIM cards simultaneously. So let's begin the unboxing and see what's inside. But first, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe and press the bell icon. So here's the packaging. Box is just okay. Looks cheap. Just a standard cheap box with Samsung logo on one side and specs at the back of the box. Let's open the box. Paperwork as usual. The phone. We'll take a look at it in a second. The usual boring stuff. No need to explain. USB Type-C cable. Headphones look and feel cheap. Samsung fast charger. It's a 15-watt charger. So let's remove the screen plastic cover. It's a very light phone. Back is extremely magnetic to fingerprints. Can't believe how light it is. It gives the feel of an iPhone. Here it has a charging port, headphone jack, mic and speakers, fingerprint scanner at the back. Dual camera system, pretty decent for this entry-level phone. Here we have the volume rocker and the power button. Screen looks decent. Let's power it on. Took a long time to boot. Let's do some quick settings. Display is sharp. And it's running on Android Pie and One UI. It's a nice decent phone, pretty cheap, better than its rivals. If you want to buy it, there's a link in the description, you can buy it from there. See you next time.